Hi, this is Stephen here from Share Navigator. This is a trade alert on ULTA Salon Cosmetics, ULTA. So they're reporting their earnings after the bell. You can see they're trading at about 155.71. So we're looking to place a short strangle trade here. I'm just going to bring it to a chart very briefly just to show you why we're placing the trade. So as you can see here, we're looking at the implied volatility section here, and it's up at its high over the last 3 months. So just if you go back over the last year, you can see spikes in volatility, and then after earnings, they drop off substantially. So we're looking to benefit from that by selling options, so selling premium into this. One thing you've got to be aware of when you're placing this type of a trade is giving yourself a margin of error for things to go wrong. So you can see here, it's important to look back, what type of movement did we have over previous earnings reports? So you can see here this was trading at $99 pre-earnings, and then post-earnings there was a bit of a jump up to 112, so it went up about $14 so in percentage terms this moved about 14 or 15% in an earnings report last September. Then we get to the next earnings report, not such a big move on this one, it only really moved 4 or 5%. Then we go to another earnings report here, another decent enough move, but in percentage terms wasn't huge. It was less than 10%. So we're going to give ourselves a 15 to a 16% leeway. We're actually going to sell the $130 puts, and up here on the upside the $180 calls, and call it a short strangle. That will give us a 16 to a 17% leeway. So we're going to go and place the trade now. We go back into our platform. So we're going to click on the spread builder. We're going to start building this trade. You can see ULTA. We have it all set up here, the ones that we want to use. So we're going to sell the 130 put. We hope to get 60 cents in there for that one. And then on the call side, we're going to get somewhere about 50 cents in. So we're going to look for a net credit of 110 here. That's what I'm going to put in as a limit order. Now, just to double check here, the first leg is to sell the $130 put. The second leg is to sell the $180 call. Now, they're saying we're only going to get 35 on the call side and 60 on the put side, but I'm going to haggle a bit here. That would come up to 95. I'm going to look for 110, and I'm going to do a quantity of 3. Minus, so remember when you're putting in, it's a credit, so it's minus 1.1, and we're going to submit the order. It's saying, are you sure you want to place this trade? We're saying yes. So there we are. Now the order has gone into the system. So this mightn't get filled straight away. It's sitting here in our pending all. I'll notify you straight away by text alert when we do get filled and at what price. But I just wanted to show you why we're placing this particular trade. After earnings tomorrow, if the share only moves 5 or 10%, we should be on profit on this particular trade, and we could close it down tomorrow for a quick profit. Okay, this is Stephen here from Share Navigator with a trade alert. Thanks and bye for now.